These days, people live fast-paced, stressful, and unhealthy lives. That means more and more people suffer from chronic pain every day. The trend is increasing, especially without dependence on screens. Even though so many people are in pain, little have the time or money to see a doctor regularly. That's where Seedze comes in. Seedze is the most effective and easy way to relieve pain, reduce stress, and improve your health, conveniently in your own home or anywhere on the go. Inspired by thousands of years of traditional therapy moxibustion, and with the help of designers and hardware physics experts, physiotherapists, health doctors, gynecologists, and pharmacists, we created Seedze. Seedze uses a combination of graphene heating technology, infrared radiation light waves, and essential oils to create a never-before-experienced type of relief on multiple levels. Seedze aims to better your life through pain management and relaxation. Don't take our word for it.
I've tried relieving my pain with ibuprofen and other NSAIDs, but they just didn't work. I tried other pads, they didn't work. But with the Seedze, it is the only thing I found to be effective against the pain that I have. Once I attached the Seedze to my arm, which was hurting, it heated up instantly, and within 5 minutes, the pain was eliminated. I'm able to be active and still wear the device without worrying about it falling off or losing the integrity of the pain relief that it provides. Seedze can help with pain no matter where it is on the body, whether it's the knees, any joints like your wrists, elbows where I use it, back, neck, shoulders. Anywhere you can attach the aromatherapy pad, you can attach the Seedze and get your pain eliminated.
Try Seedze today and see what everyone is talking about. Support us now. Relieve pain. Relax yourself and live healthy.